Okay, this feels eerily familiar. This looks a lot like the Brembo GT system with the BM6 alien fist caliper for the front end of a C8 Corvette. But that's weird because we've already got that system on our Corvette and Brembo doesn't make a rear system. I'm gonna address the fact that the Brembo braking systems are only available for the front of the Corvette. Now this frustrates the heck out of me. I wanna see Brembo come up with selling and creating a rear brake. I love Brembo, but my message to upper Brembo management is, come on. That's right, folks. We've been working directly with Brembo and they went ahead and came on us, and here it is, the Brembo GT BM6 alien fist caliper system for the rear end of the C8 Corvette, which is exciting because now you can have front and rear Brembo brakes on this incredible car. But if you've been owning this car, you know that the brakes have been the biggest area of disappointment on this application. Hundreds of customers have warped their rotors, suffered with brake fade at the racetrack, and a number of customers, including us, have actually had their braking system put the car into limp mode because of the brakes overheating too much. So this is going to be the premium solution to the braking problems on the C8 Corvette. Now, Brembo makes a multitude of different systems for the C8 Corvette. They have their traditional M6 system. They have their GTS and GTR systems as well, which are really for that extreme track day use and racing applications. But the reason that we think the BM6 system is really the top of the heap for performance for people that have a road-going car that also want that extreme performance at the racetrack is because this caliper offers a 15% increase in pad and rotor surface area over even their traditional M6, resulting in almost double the braking surface area out of this system over your stock setup. Now it also hosts more fluid volume and the rotor is much thicker. That's going to help with heat dissipation under those extreme braking conditions. They use this unique 4D casting manufacturing process that not only makes this thing look totally out of this world, but it also has a much stiffer overall construction. That's going to give you that really nice firm pedal feel. Now, when I installed the front system on our C8, we went 4 seconds quicker at button wheel, so I can't wait to add this in the rear and see what that does for our lap times. Your stock rotor is also only 350 millimeters. You're gonna be going to a 380 millimeter rotor here. That's a big jump in size, almost 15 inches. Now the pad that comes in this caliper is gonna be their FM1000 compound, which is a great combination of street and track. It's gonna be good use on the street because it's gonna have good initial cold bite. It's gonna be quiet, but at the track, it's gonna perform pretty well. Now, if you're gonna be really pushing it hard at the track, you might find the limit of this pad compound. And they do make an endurance pad, but that pad costs $800 per set. That's gonna be $1,600 for the whole car. If you wanna stick with Brembo, we're more than happy to sell you their products. But we also recommend checking out the G-LOC pads because they make these incredible pads with this range of compounds that you can choose from based on how much street and how much track driving you're doing, all the way from their GS1 on up to their R18 Super Endurance compound. Now we run the R10s. We find that they're still a little noisy on the street, but they perform well enough, but at the racetrack they can really stand up to that punishment and they'll cost you under $1,000 to outfit the whole car. The reason Brembo didn't come out with a rear system in the first place is because it was incompatible with that electric parking brake. Now they've determined that we can just disconnect that when we're installing this, and yes, it's gonna throw a light on the dash, but at the end of the day, it's not gonna interfere with the operation or throw a code, so we don't mind it too much, and we figure at some point, somebody's gonna come up with a dongle that'll trick the computer into thinking the parking brake's still there. And this BM6 system is available in the same 5 colors. That's red, black, white, canary yellow, and their fluorescent yellow, which matches that neon green color that you get from GM. It's also available with 3 different rotor types. You've got the cross-drilled rotor, the Type 1 slotted rotor, and then Brembo's own and unique design, the Type 3 curved slotted rotor, which is what we like. It screams Brembo and offers that awesome performance. Now they're also making their GTS systems for intense track use and the GTR systems for racing applications. At the end of the day, the moral of the story is we can now get you set up with a front and rear Brembo system for your C8 Corvette. Now this set costs exactly the same as it does for the front. At retail, it costs $4,695, but as usual, we've got the best pricing on these Brembo systems. Head on over to the link in the description and check that out, or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO, that's 833-668-6767. Now, if you want all the deep technical details on this, head on over and check out that first video that we made. We talked for 10 minutes about why this system performs so well. Thanks for watching.